Beware. Don't make these mistakes when drinking warm water on an empty stomach. Never drink warm water first thing in the morning without knowing this. One small mistake could quietly ruin your health for months or even years without you realizing it. And 99% of people are doing it wrong. Drinking warm water when you wake up sounds so harmless, so simple, right? Everyone says it's good for digestion, good for detox, good for your body. But what if I told you the way you drink it, the timing, the temperature, even the position you drink it in, can either heal you or secretly harm you? Today, I'm going to reveal the biggest mistakes almost everyone makes when drinking warm water on an empty stomach, and how a few tiny changes could transform your mornings, your digestion, your liver, your kidneys, even the way you age. Here's sups the thing. Warm water can be a healing gift to your body, but only if you understand how your body behaves first thing in the morning. When you wake up, your body isn't set ready to go. It's still half asleep. Your digestion is weak. Your stomach lining is sensitive. Your blood is thicker. Your heart is beating slower. Imagine your entire system like an old, cold car on a freezing winter morning. You can't just slam your foot on the gas and expect it to roar down the highway. You need to gently wake it up. You need to prepare it. Otherwise, things start to break down, quietly over time. And the same thing happens inside your body. If you drink warm water the wrong way, you could be shocking your stomach lining, messing with your blood pressure, stressing your kidneys, and doing invisible damage day after day. It doesn't happen overnight. It builds up quietly, until suddenly you start wondering why your digestion is getting worse, why you start bloated, why your blood pressure is creeping up, and nobody tells you it could be something as simple as how you drink your water. So let's dive deep into the mistakes people are making and how you can protect yourself starting tomorrow morning. Mistake 1. Drinking water that sips too hot. This is a big one. When we hear warm water is healthy, a lot of people think hotter is better. Steaming hot, almost like drinking tea. But your stomach lining, when you first wake up, is delicate. It's sus thin. It's sus soft. It's sus not protected yet. Imagine putting boiling water on a baby plant's roots. It burns it. It damages it. It shocks the system. When you drink water that's too hot in the morning, you risk tiny burns inside your stomach. Tiny injuries that over time can lead to chronic inflammation, acid reflux, or gastritis. What you should do instead. The perfect temperature for morning water is simple. Think of it like bath water. Not hot, not cold, just comfortably warm, almost like body temperature, about 37 to 40 degrees Celsius. If it feels soothing to your tongue and throat, it's right. If it feels sharp, steamy, or makes you blow air out to cool it, it's too hot. Mistake 2. Gulping it down too fast. Another huge mistake. People wake up thirsty and think they need to flood their system. Big mistake. Your digestion isn't even fully awake yet. Your esophagus, your stomach, your intestines, they all need time to stretch, to warm up, to prepare. Gulping water floods your stomach too quickly. It dilutes your stomach acid. It makes digestion weaker. It can even stretch your stomach walls, leading to bloating later on. It's like throwing a bucket of water on a fire. You might extinguish the gentle flames your body actually needs to start the day. What you should do instead. Sip. Small, slow sips. Almost like you're gently feeding a plant drip by drip. Take your time. Give your body a moment to recognize the water, absorb it, and start waking up. Mistake 3. Drinking it standing up. I know. You stir rushing in the morning. Standing at the sink, grabbing your cup, drinking it fast, getting on with your day. But drinking water while standing does something strange inside your body. It creates turbulence. The water falls fast through your esophagus, splashes into your stomach, creates air pockets, and disturbs your digestion. Sitting down, even just for a minute, helps your muscles relax. It allows the water to flow gently. It supports smoother digestion and better hydration. What you should do instead, sit down, take a deep breath, drink your warm water slowly, with small pauses. Feel the difference. Mistake 4. Drinking plain water without balancing minerals. Here's something almost no one talks about. When you sleep, your body loses electrolytes through breathing, sweating, and metabolism. Your blood becomes thicker. Your body becomes slightly dehydrated and mineral deficient. Drinking just plain water first thing, especially large amounts, can actually make the problem worse by flushing out even more sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This can lead to dizziness, weakness, heart palpitations, and even blood pressure drops. What you should do instead: add a pinch, just a tiny pinch of natural mineral salt to your morning water. Something like Himalayan pink salt or sea salt, or squeeze a few drops of lemon. This gives your body the minerals it needs to rehydrate properly. Mistake 5. Drinking it too soon after waking. Believe it or not, timing matters. When you open your eyes, your body is still transitioning from sleep mode to awake mode. Your brain waves are shifting. Your blood vessels are contracting. Your digestion is slowly turning back on. Jumping up and drinking water immediately can sometimes stress your system, especially if you have heart issues, blood pressure problems, or sensitive digestion. What you should do instead: sit in bed for a minute or two. Stretch your hands. Rotate your ankles. Take a few deep breaths. Then stand up. Give your body at least 5 minutes to boot up before you sip your warm water. You still feel the difference. See how something so small, something we do every single morning, can either help heal us or hurt us without even realizing it. It's sup's not about drinking warm water. This up's about how you drink it, when you drink it, what you drink it with. The way you treat your body first thing in the morning sets the tone for your whole day, and over years, it shapes your health. Now, here sits the part almost no one knows. If you fix these simple mistakes, something incredible starts to happen inside your body. Your digestion becomes calmer. Your blood pressure becomes steadier. Your liver detoxes more gently. Your kidneys clear waste more efficiently. Your metabolism improves. Your skin glows. Even your mind feels sharper. All because you respected those first precious moments of the morning. In traditional Chinese medicine, they say the way you treat your stomach between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. determines your entire day's energy flow. Modern science is finally catching up. Morning hydration done right boosts mitochondrial function, supports lymphatic drainage, and sets your circadian rhythm. It's thus not just a drink. It's a morning ceremony, a way to honor your body every day. And when you get it right, your body thanks you, quietly, steadily, with better health you can feel. Let's wrap up. Here sips the right way to drink warm water in the morning. Use gently warm water, not hot. Sit down while drinking. Sip slowly, no gulping. Add a tiny pinch of natural salt or a few drops of lemon. Wait a few minutes after waking before your first sip. Treat it as a slow, gentle awakening, not a chore. These tiny shifts, these small daily habits, they add up. Over months and years, they can be the difference between feeling tired, sluggish, and bloated, or feeling light, energized, and vibrant every single day. Water is life, but only if you drink it with respect. Subscribe now to keep your body strong, vibrant, and youthful every day.